Did you know that over 80% of small businesses fail within the first 5 years? But the good news is, if you're able to understand the real reason why this happens, then you'll be able to position your business to be among the successful 20%. So in today's video, I'll be sharing with us top problems that affect small businesses and the proven strategies to avoid them. The first I have on my list is missing personal and business money. So many business owners are fond of doing this. They have a way of missing their personal money and business money in the same account. And at the end of the day, it becomes difficult to truly ascertain if the business is making profit or loss. Having your monies mixed together affects the business because you won't be able to track if the business is making profit or loss. It must not necessarily be a fancy corporate account. Just have a separate account that is specifically meant for the business, where you're able to know how the business is faring, know how they're making profits or every other thing. So it is very necessary that a business owner separates his personal money from the business money, because the truth of the matter is, most times when you mix everything together, when you check your account balance, you'll be like, I'm making sales, not knowing that what you're seeing is more of your personal money. Not like you cannot assist the business with your personal money, but it needs to be differentiated, it needs to be separated. So it is good for a business person to have a separate account for the business and use that very account to track the progress of the business. Then the second point I have on my list is lack of adaptability. Change, they say, is the only constant thing in life, but it is not applicable to an individual or life itself. It's still related to a business. There are so many business owners that are not interested in adapting to the recent market shift, market trends, market changes. So if you're that person that refuses to adapt to the recent market shift, you're not doing your business any good. So try to embrace the recent technologies that are out there to improve your business. Take, for instance, we are in a cashless economy now, as we all know. So it's almost difficult for us to see people moving around with wads of cash, with paper money to buy things. People now pay with bank transfers, people use their credit cards, people use their ATM cards to make payments. So I don't think in this day and time there are commodities where people don't transfer. Please, if there are items that you know that people, as in what I mean is, I don't really think there are goods or services this day and time where it is required that you will pay with your cash, as in your paper money. Please, if there are things that are specifically meant to be paid with paper money, please help me type it in the comment section, because I'm still trying to figure out if there are things that you specifically pay with the paper money. If there are items like that, please help me drop it in the comment section. We are all learning. I want to know. So, but the thing is, as a business owner, it is important that you embrace these recent technologies. So many things are out there these days. Most of the things now are digitalized. So embrace it. If you're that business owner that people are always asking you, do you use POS services? Do you take transfers? Be that person. Embrace it in your business. Don't think my business is so petty or too small for me to be doing all those things. No. Move with the trends. It's going to affect your business. It's going to do your business real good. So try as much as you can to embrace it. We also have business tools that make our business seamless and effortless. I'll be discussing about those business tools that can help our business grow very well later on this channel. Then the next point that is affecting our business is lack of marketing strategy. There are so many business owners or so many persons that entered into the business with the sole aim of, selling to a particular group of persons. What I mean by this is they don't have a clear marketing strategy of improving the business or expanding the business. Take, for instance, you start up a business with the sole aim of your family and friends to be the ones to just patronize you in that business. Let me bust your bubble. They are going to disappoint you. If you have that mindset, or if you go into the business with the aim that it's just people within your locality that will buy from you, they will disappoint you. So as a business person, it is necessary that you start leveraging on social media tools. I made a video on this channel where you can use online tools to reach more customers. Gone are the days when you will just stay put and you'll be comfortable in a particular space waiting for somebody in the next compound to come and buy from you, waiting for somebody, maybe your friend, to come and patronize you. No, have that mindset to start leveraging on social media to reach a wider audience, because the aim of every business owner is to grow, is to expand, is to reach more people. That's the aim of so many business owners. So don't be that person that will be comfortable being in one position. Leverage social media. There are free tools that you can use. Most of us these days make use of WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram on a daily basis. So start thinking on how to position your business with those social media platforms to reach people. These days and time, you will see so many petty businesses on the internet. So many of them on the internet. There was a day I saw someone advertising fresh fish on the internet. I wasn't surprised because it's a good way to go. But you'll be like, a fish seller on the internet, what are they doing? No, they are trying to reach more customers. You see them posting so many things on their status, on so many places. You understand? So it is very, very necessary that a business owner should start leveraging, should start making use of these social media platforms to advertise their goods. What I have on my list is poor record keeping. So many business owners are guilty of this because they run their business through memories rather than keeping records. They feel that since the business is theirs, they have it at the back of their palm. They know the stocks they are buying. They know the ones that are moving and all that. In as much as it's a good thing, but this day and time, it is good to keep proper record of your inflows and outflows of your stocks, because as a business person, we all know that there are goods that are in high demand more than the other. They are the ones that are fast moving more than the other. So with a good proper record, you'll be able to detect and know that this one has high demand, so I need to stock up on this one. I need to focus more on this one and all that. So the importance of record keeping cannot be underestimated. Truly, it is very, very necessary in the life of a business owner to keep good record in your sales. It's very, very good. So I want to ask you, which of this mistake is most common in your business, or which of these mistakes do you know is common in so many businesses around you? Please, I would like you to drop it in the comment section, and we'll talk about it and know how to improve on them. So with this being said, we've come to the end of today's video. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye.